Can I ask you a favour? G'day, Simon here from the Contract Company. Today I want to do something slightly different. I actually want to ask you for a favour. So I'm a big fan of Gary Vaynerchuk and his work and his podcasts and all his videos. He's a champ. He's got a book, Jab, 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 Right Hook, where he basically talks about adding or giving value before you ask for something. Now, I hope you've seen a few of my videos. I've done about 80 or 90 of them on YouTube and Facebook and LinkedIn and all that sort of stuff. I hope you found some value in those. And so what I wanted to ask today was whether you could actually help me. So here's my issue. I want to design a course and create more videos that help. Now, the question I've got for you is I want you to tell me what you think of this concept. So the way I see it, when business people in Australia or anywhere in the world really do business deals, most of them, unless they're very sophisticated and savvy, but most of them rely on their lawyer for that commercial advice as well as the legal advice. So obviously lawyers are good at documenting transactions if they're contract lawyers, etc. But not all lawyers, as I see it, are good at the commercial advice, as in how should the deal be structured, what are the terms, how should it work, who bears the risk, all those sorts of things. So you think about it, if you're putting in place, a share sale agreement, a shareholders agreement, a manufacturing agreement, a distribution agreement, an IP license agreement, it's all well and good to have the actual fundamental clauses in those contracts sorted out, but have you actually sorted out the deal? Do you know if the deal you're doing is a good deal and a great deal and the best deal you can do? Now, if you've got a good commercial lawyer on your side, you'll get some really good advice. If you don't have a good commercial lawyer, but they may be good at actually documenting the deal, you may not get such great advice. So my question for you, which I was hoping you could help me with, is would you be interested in any sort of videos or courses that actually talk about the commerciality of a deal and whether the deal would be good in a certain manner, meaning how should that deal be structured and what should be the terms of the deal in terms of the deal terms, not the actual drafting of the clauses terms. What should be the actual deal terms to help you get a good deal? Because that to me is a real weakness I see in a lot of documents that I get that have been drafted by the lawyers, and I just say to people, why would you sign that? Here's a better and lower risk way of doing things. So anyway, I was really hoping you could, in the comments below, just give me your opinion as to whether you'd be interested in seeing something like that. So courses about the commerciality or how a deal should be structured and what you should ask for to ensure that you get the best sort of outcome. So please do me a favor. Send me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. I'd be really keen to hear from you and hear if that is something that you would find interesting. Thank you preemptively very much.